ng Shakey's V-League. Bira na!
Todo palit ang lineup ngayon ng Smart Maynila. You have Gretchen Soldones.
Yes.
Coming in for...
We have not seen Sue Roses in action yet though. Soraya. Quick set kagad. Wenneth Eulalio. Unang puntos. Belonging to Cagayan Valley. At sabi ni Wenneth Eulalio, oy, Miss Gata Pantone, kamusta na?
Nagkaabot ba itong dalawang to?
Oo, nagkaabot naman yan. 1-0 Cagayan Valley. Pomla Soraya once again to serve. And that's a better reception there from Gata Pantone. Here is Cotruang. Cotruang off the hands of Aiza Maizo. 1-all. Ito ngayon si Dindin. With her entire varsity team behind her. A one-hand set. That's gonna be an overreach or lifting violation. One of the two. Lifting ay tinawag dito kay Pomla Soraya. So ngayon yung reception naman na magiging problema rito ng Cagayan Valley on this serve galing kay Dindin. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Dindin, isa sa mga mataas na serve percentage. Malakas din ang kanyang serve. Except that time.
Right, ang cute talaga yung mga players
Except
natin.
that time. Wala tayong magagawa doon.
It's either matutuwa sila sa comments natin or aayawan nila.
Tinatawag na broadcasters jigs. Ako hindi ako naniniwala doon. Nagkakataon lang po mga kaibigan.
Nakasar mo nga ako dun eh. Hindi ka naniniwala. Nagkakalokohan tayo dito. Championship na.
Oo, napanood naman. Na-cover na kita doon minsan eh. Napapanood mo ba yung mga sinasabi ko tungkol sa'yo? Pag, serve, ang galing dito si Gumabo sa serve. Boink. Pantone now going over to Soltones. And Gretchen says hello to Cagayan Valley.
Her first point for the game. Seeing her first action dito sa championship round.
The youngest player on the team as well. 19 years old. Masanay na po. Masanay pala nakasuot siya ng asul kasi in a few weeks, pula at dilaw na isuot niyan para sa San Sebastian. Over receive but Eliza returns it and Eliza will score. And Eliza still gets a tongue lashing after that. And Cassini now going over to Eliza.
May coach ka sa labas, may coach ka rin sa loob. Kung ako yan, mababaliw mo ka talaga dyan.
4-2 Smart Maynila. Jump serve again and Gretchen hits it into the net. 4-3.
Smart Maynila, kung gusto nila umusad dito sa larong to, they have to contain their errors.
Oo.
At the same thing for Army din, ay for
15 in one set, ha? Isipin mo, 15 minsan isang buong laro. Hindi ka makakuha ng 15 errors. Eliza sending it back. Free ball from Cotruang. Pau. Tabingi rin. And ito, galing sa back row. Nagulat si Jem Ferrer.
Hindi mo pwedeng hindi tignan si Kanika Tipachot kahit saan man yan, Noel. Backline, frontline.
4-all. Tipachot to serve. Gata. And again, another ace. So si Gata nangangapapa in her first game back. And Gohing will have to replace her muna. 5-4. Persona anti-perspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Good read on the serve by Gohing. Tied at 5.
Kailangan nila kapitan dahil daming fans dito ang Smart Maynila na talagang umaasa sa pagkapanalo nila ngayon.
And here is Soraya now going to Tabaquero. And Tabaquero, hirap na hirap ang dalawang libero ngayon ng Smart Maynila sa pagpapatrol dyan sa backline.
Number 1, spiking team. Ito Cagayan Valley, Noel.
Against the number 1 digging team in the league. Cotruang, Jem Ferrer, Eliza, hindi na naman pumasok. Eliza is having a really bad start today.
She has a lot of power, Noel, pero hindi niya makuha yung efficiency or yung turnover rate para maging puntos lahat ng mga pinapalo niya.
Good read again by Gohing, pero yun, medyo muntikan na yun. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League.
Parang tumama yun sa mga buhok natin. Yung mga, ang tawag din sa mga tumatayo-tayo.
Ewan ko sa iyo. Yung mga tumatayo-tayo yung buhok. Yun, pwede.
Yung hindi nasama sa gel.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Tabaquero.
It's a girl thing.
Hindi naman kasi hindi kami ma-gel. Oy! check ball. It's a late call. So it is now 8-6 Cagayan Valley on a delayed check ball call. Smart Maynilad cannot understand.
For the Cagayan team, they still need to outsmart the Smart Maynila team. Kailangan nila dito tamang discard and of course to create more noise inside the court. Hindi sila papayag na masapawan sila ng ingay dito sa San Juan Arena. And for the Smart Maynila team naman, they need to help each other. And of course, sabi din ni Coach Roger dito, as the set progresses, they have to be stronger and stronger. Parang wine lang daw yan na habang tumatagal, paganda ng paganda ang laro nila. Noel?
Nakarelate ka ba dun sa wine, Michelle?
Natawa lang ako kasi ang ganda ng analogy.
Din Santiago able to penetrate the defense of Wenet Eulalio.
Volleyball and wine.
Volleyball,
Ayaw nga narinig yun eh.
Bakit? Di naman pwede, hindi na magsama yung dalawa. Basta one comes before the other. Hindi
Which
pwede
one?
sabay. Eliza with the serve. Soraya. Tabakero, lusot na naman. Kanina pa tina-target ni Angge. Ito si Jem Ferrer.
Why not, Noel? Sino ba ang tatargetin mo? Jem Ferrer or Dindin Santiago?
Santiago, that's a good point. Let's take a look at our slow motion replay brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. Ayan, no, talagang effort naman ito si Jem Ferrer na para ipabalik yung bola. But again, that's just too powerful coming from the captain of Cagayan Valley. 10-7 po ang ating score. Going. Ferrer running attack. Aha! Dindin Santiago. Good serve there coming from Ferrer. Down the middle. Oh, wow. Kani Katipat shot again. Back line. Kalahati ng puntos nila sa opensa nang gagaling sa backline attack nila. Magas is the official ball of the Shakey's meeting. I mean, they attack the backline. Zone 6, 5, and 1.
Wow.
Yan talaga naman tinatarget nila. Tingnan natin ulit dito ha. Kotruwang, Ferrer, Kotruwang. Oh, short.
Good intention, Noel. Kung pumasok yun, walang tao sa likod ng blockers sa Cagayan Valley.
The 23-year-old from Korat City, Thailand cannot get it done. Ito, taga Bangkok. Yung magsiserve. Tom na Soraya. Going. Ferrer, quick set. Din. Dug up there by Soraya. Tipat shot out of position. Wow. Going is also having a bad day.
Siguro nalito siya dun sa block ni Dindin Santiago. Of course, pag may ganyan kakatangkad na blocker sa harapan, minsan hindi mo nakikita yung bola na dumadating sa'yo.
That's a good
Nagulat, or may sakit din.
Oh, that's a great coverage here coming from Going. Soltones, lusot. So Gretchen Soltones cuts it down to a 4-point lead para dito sa Cagayan Valley.
Gretchen Soltones has been using those blockers sa harapan niya, Noel, na hindi man baon-baon yung palo niya, pero it's still a point.
And now Din Santiago. Nakakita mo sa likod si Tita Mosi. Walang ticket, nakiupo doon sa area ng mga players. Oh, wow! Kani Katipat shot again! Eulalio. Kotruwang, Quezini. Blocked there by Aiza Maizo. Coverage is late from Going. 6-point lead for Cagayan Valley.
The open spikers of Cagayan Valley talaga, Noel. Sila yung key ngayon sa paglamang ng Cagayan Valley. 100% coming from Tabakero and 66% coming from Tipacho.
And from the back, tumira na si Eliza. Going. Sending it to Ferrer. Down the middle, Kotruwang. Kept alive by Maizo. Soraya now for Tipachot. Lusot na naman. This time, pinadaan na kay Quezini. 7-point lead for the Rising Suns. At ito ngayon ang ating Shakey's face of the day. Si Renza May Jimenez, 17 years old from Quezon City. At meron siyang isang buong pizza galing dito sa Shakey's. At substitution para sa Smart Manila. Finally, we get to see Sue Roses. Sue Roses was a big help nung Game 3 against the Philippine Army. Nung pumasok siya, tumindi ang depensa nila sa harapan.
And hindi na yun, Noel. Yung mga puntos na nagagawa ni Sue Roses, hindi man marami, pero in terms of crucial moments, andun siya.
Ito ngayon si Soraya. Tipachot, this time dug up by Eliza. Jem. Soltones turned back by Maizo. 17-9.
pwestong-pwesto na yung kamay ni Aiza
Right.
doon. Talagang tinesting ni Gretchen Saltones kung matibay.
Eh wala, talagang matibay. Matagal na matibay yan. Cassini goes long. So it's a combination of hitting errors and many problems. We're going to have a substitution here. If it's Sun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Former Ateneo head coach Charo Soriano sees her first action. So lumit na bahagya yung lineup dito ng Smart Maynilad. Pero there are now 3 Ateneans on the floor. Tignan natin kung may cohesion factor ito. Saltones cannot contain the serve of Eulalio.
You can never know, Noel, at this point in the game kung papayagan ba ng Smart Maynilad na madala sila sa lamang ng kalaban.
Right.
Or kung kaya ba nilang bumangon at lumaban at this point.
Here's Gretchen Saltones. This time, dinaan niya sa lakas. So Saltones able to score. Finally, umabot na sa 10 puntos itong Smart Maynilad. Pero malayo-layo pa rin ang hahabuli dito ng net spikers. Saltones with a jump serve. Good serve there. And a free ball given up by Soriano. Roses. They go to Eliza. Eliza, good coverage there by Tipachot. Aiza Maizo, baon.
Good set by Pao Soriano, Noel. Nakita niya wala yung open spiker niya nasa floor. Si Kanika Tipachot.
Right.
Sinet niya kay Aiza Maizo. Well, of course, Aiza Maizo.
Dinaan sa
Single
utility
tap.
spot. Yep. Tipachot, patay. Pao Soriano with the gift. Easy points coming now for Cagayan Valley. 4 na puntos na kailangan para makuha itong second set.
Sabi natin kanina, mahaba-habang game itong championship match versus Cagayan Valley and Smart Maynilad.
Well, that might still happen. Tignan natin dito. Service ace from Tipachot, even going. Cannot get there. 12-point lead. Tipachot once again. Going. Ferrer. Too near the net for Eliza. Tumama pa sa antena. 13-point lead for Cagayan Valley. This is not something you're used to seeing from Smart Maynilad.
And at a championship game na talagang pinaghirapan nila kunin
Right.
from the Philippine Army.
Saltones again overcooked, but this time hindi na na-continue ni Pao Soriano. So 23-11. Sue Roses.
Cagayan Valley can afford those mistakes now that they're up by how many points? 12?
12 points. Make that 13. And they now have a total of 13 set points. Serving for the set. Aiza Maizo. Saltones. Ferrer. Eliza. Andun pa rin si Pao. Ferrer. Going from the back. Soraya dropping it in. Ang dali-daling mag-volleyball kung ganyan kagaling ang setter nyo.
And kung ganyan kagaling ang libero at spikers mo, Noel, the whole full roster of Cagayan Valley is helping right now for that win.
Complete team effort para sa Cagayan Valley. Let's take a look at our shaking play. Nobody even close as Soraya gives them a 2-0 lead.